By the way, this is my mascot, the Ninja Dog. Okay, it's Rocky, the Ninja Dog, and I will definitely get her to do some break falls. Not today, but another day. You know, so she's Movie Vanguard Company's the Ninja Dog mascot. So getting back to topic here, two things. Bujinkan. Bujinkan is modern day ninjutsu or ninja training, and it's very relevant because today, I mean, we have, for example, bullying is just out of control worldwide, and you know, bullies have gone so far as to make people kill themselves. So that's just unacceptable, and it just can't continue, right? With Bujinkan, you remake your mind. You program the infinite mind to have no fear, especially over bullies or anything. That's how ninjas can do a rolling break fall on any kind of surface, because they have conditioned their mind that if they do it fast enough and they do it effectively enough, then they're not going to get hurt, right? And so it's just a matter of having courage and making your mind over to, to get over those fears. And for example, when I was a kid, I was very petrified of wasps because I was almost stung to death. And when a wasp used to be around me like 10 years ago or so, I was still like very, very scared of them. Like, like if one, I would always think that one was attracted to sting me right away. And most of the time I would do that because my mind was thinking that, right? So I was actually attracting the wasp to sting me. And that's exactly what happened. But since I've learned Bujinkan, which is going on for 9 years now, this is the 9th year that I've been studying Bujinkan, ninjutsu, I've made my mind over. I've actually, I have no fear of wasps now. If I see a wasp coming near me, I just swat it out of the air. So I take a proactive stance. And with a bully, that's what you have to do. You have to take a proactive stance. You kids, you parents listening, it's important that you use I messages and very strong. Like, I will not let you bully me. I will not, or I think that you should get a life. I think that you should do something more constructive, I want you to leave, but really strong indication that you're not going to be bullied, that you're going to be, you're going to let the bully know on certain terms that definitely they're barking up the wrong tree, right? And, you see in bullying worldwide, it's a real problem because, it doesn't just happen in school, it doesn't just happen online, like cyberbullying, for example. That's another thing. With cyberbullying, 10, 15 years ago, we didn't really have too many ways of, recording these people or to getting the goods on them. But now you do. You can retain those emails and you can record their voice very easily, do a screenshot or anything like that, like with the voice recorder, and you can get them on record saying those threats to you, and you can go to the authorities. I've come up with two groups. One is Ninjas Against Bullying, all in small cap letters, and the other one is Nations Against Bullies. So Ninjas Against Bullying and Nations Against Bullies, and I feel privileged. I'm going to be instrumental in getting this going to end bullying and have like an anti-bullying movement going on, like not just a passive one. It's okay for to have these movements like this activism against bullying, but it's really passive unless you get those people who are the potential victims to change their thought process. It's going to happen if they got you in a headlock or and you can't go anywhere, like I mean with your your hands or. But the worst thing to do is freeze. Absolutely, the worst thing to do is freeze. I mean, these people that have been in situations where somebody has gone on a rampage, if they freeze, they're the first ones to get shot and killed, right? So, Bujinkan is being a survivor, and it's really important that you recognize that you have options, right? You don't have to get beat down by a bully, right? I'm a survivor of bullying, and you can read my account on Ninjas Against Bullying. There's a personal account there. So I thought I'd mention that. And so about bullies too. Bullies, there's a legislation now anti-bullying, cyberbullying, but they always find ways to go around that. So I think what's really important is, especially for